Hey everyone, welcome back to Item Inc. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to be part of our growing community. For more information on compatible models, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the fuser for the Lexmark MS821 822 and 823. Let's dive right into the video. Let's begin by turning the printer off and unplugging the power cord. We will want to identify what type of fuser is used in your printer. From the front of the printer, open the front door and remove the toner cartridge and imaging unit. Then find the 2-digit number to identify the fuser type. Please be sure to install the correct fuser into your printer. Once your fuser has been identified, open the back door from the rear of the printer. With the rear door open, you can now rotate the two latches into a counterclockwise position to release the fuser. Next, pull to remove the fuser from the printer. Next, you can reinsert the fuser into the printer. Once the fuser is seated in place, turn the two latches clockwise to lock it. Once locked, you can now close the rear door. Lastly, reconnect the power cord and turn the printer on. This should automatically reset fuser life settings. That's all for our quick guide on replacing the fuser for the Lexmark MS821 822 and 823. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for more details. We'll see you next time at Item Inc.